Peace and blessings, everybody. Rob YB Youngblood, your LinkedIn locksmith, coming at you. Just want to give a shout out to everyone who just recently connected with me as a result of today's sessions for Real Social Proof 2020. Just want to say thank you for doing so. I'm looking forward to building with each and every one of you. I just want to drop a quick tip on you. If you are beginning to use LinkedIn to network as a result of this online experience, I'm going to encourage you to make sure that you send a personalized note with every single invitation that you send. If you need some help with that, shoot me a DM. I'll be happy to show that to you. But when you send a personalized note with every invitation, it allows you to stand apart from every other connection that comes in without one, and it allows for you to pick up the conversation from how you started. So get started with LinkedIn, use that, and if you need some help, shoot me a DM, and I'll be happy to be of service to you. Be encouraged, be blessed, most of all, keep the faith. Peace.